To use the Luma AI Dream Machine, start by searching for Luma AI on Google. Then navigate to the lumalabs.ai website and select Dream Machine. Once the website is open, click on Try Now at the top right corner, which will prompt you to log in, a simple process that can be done using a Google account. After logging in, ensure you are on the Create page, not the API account page. From here, you can type in text or add an image to generate a video. For guidance, a prompt guide is available that provides detailed instructions on how to use the tool. To begin, simply type in the text you want to see generated, or use the provided ideas for inspiration. You can then choose to enhance the prompt or loop the video. Once you've made your selections, click the upside arrow button to start the generation process. The video will be put into a queue, and you can track its status using the progress bar. Once the video is created, you can preview, download, or delete it as needed. The downloaded video will have a Luma AI watermark. The process is relatively quick and easy, allowing you to generate high-quality videos with minimal effort.